Alright, my name is Will Hoffman, and I'm going to go over the critique for the fruits negotiation that I did with Chase Lively. Alright, so my first strength, I believe, was that I took the time out before we even started the negotiation. And I set my goals and objectives, and I knew my concession strategy going into the negotiation already. At the start of the negotiation, the buyer seemed really unorganized. While I was asking him what his highest point that he could go on was with the payment terms, which was our first concession of that, I basically just straight out asked him. During the segment that I'm going to play for you guys is I was able to attain his resistance point in my main section of the bargaining mix of the negotiation, which is again the payment terms. So here is his. Oh, not yet. I'm assuming that's what you're coming with.
Yep.
And we're just here to work out the delivery schedule, product variations, and payment terms, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm just gonna come up straight and ask you, what is the highest you will go on something like the payment terms? Is there like a point that there's just no way you can come back from, and we'll try to work?
You know, it's funny because I figured you'd be asking about credit.
Yeah.
I guess the highest I'd be willing to go is maybe 2 months.
Okay.
Just because,
Okay. So for my next stream, I utilized my BATNA, the better alternative, in order to get him to go to the resistance point on my payment terms. I used it, I think, really well, and he responded in the way that I wanted to. This strategy got us to be more honest and direct with what he wanted and also with what I was able to get out of him. So I believe it was a win-win or integrative negotiation, and this happened on our third concession. So I'll go ahead and play the clip for you. Okay. Well, I understand that you want the 3 months credit and everything, but I know we've done business with you guys already. Both of our presidents have signed a contract, so I'm willing to do 3 months. I'm willing to do 2 month credit with you guys, but I can't do 3 because I have another company that's offering me payment upon delivery. But since our presidents have already worked together, I would like to work with you on getting at least in 2 months payment terms. Switching over to weaknesses. At the very beginning, he tried to get an emotional reaction out of me because he was talking about how his business was decreasing and not making as much money. So with him saying that if he did in a real negotiation, he would probably bring my resistance point down in order to help his company out. And this was our first concession during that.
I'm a smaller size business, and we didn't make as much money last year, so like the money is definitely a little bit of a concern for me.
Okay. All right, now to my last weakness. We did a few of negotiation bargaining. This is what he offered me, and I took it, and I probably shouldn't have. Negotiation bargaining was used when he gave me referrals to get the quicker delivery date. I probably shouldn't have gone or given on my resistance point just because he said he had referrals for me, because I don't know if those referrals are real. I probably should have asked to see them, but here's a clip from that.
Maybe there's some things that I could do for you possibly give you some referrals, and gain you some other business that way. Because I know the market very well. I'm experienced with this market.
All right, and that finishes my critique of this negotiation.